Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well?
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Drax!
It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have you done?
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
Blvd, hit your stop blasters. We have it contained, but not for long.
It's Epcot. Sure is. Stands for every person comes out tired.
I don't get it.
Thanks, Terrence!
And welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guys.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well, then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Where's that cake toast?
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe check out some of my park vlogs, like where we go to Typhoon Lagoon, or we did Mickey's Not So Scary. Lots of fun content on this channel other than the shopping. If you're here for the shopping, there's plenty more of that where that's coming from. Yeah, the word salad. Yeah. Never mind. I'm just gonna stop rambling and say, yeah, bye.